What is up YouTube, and welcome to my video. In this video I'm gonna be explaining how to download Lords Mobile on your computer. So you need a program called BlueStacks. BlueStacks is a program that emulates the Android operating system so that you can play Android games and use Android apps on your computer. So to download it, go to the link in my description, and this will open up. So just click download. And click download again, and BlueStacks will start downloading. I already have it downloaded, so let's just open it up, and it's loading. Okay, so just click install now, and it's gonna install. That's it. I'm gonna speed this part up and see when it's done. Okay, so now BlueStacks is done installing, so just click complete. And it will start the engine. Okay, so now it started the engine, so just click agree. Okay, unless you don't want it to access your location, and choose your language and click let's go. And then sign in with your Google account. Okay, and then click I agree. And this will automatically open up. As you can see here, it's Lords Mobile. So now just click install, and click proceed. And now it's gonna download, so I'm also gonna pause this part. So see you in a few. So finally Lords Mobile is downloaded, so let's just open it up. Okay, seems like we got another thing to download. So yeah, I'm also gonna pause this or speed it up. We'll see. Okay, so it's finished. Okay. Okay, I can't skip this on. Okay. And the cool thing about BlueStacks is, like, you know, you can like go on full screen, which is really nice. Oh, what's going on? Okay, sorry. And yep, as you see here, it's working. And it's really nice. Also, it's kind of like a bit laggy because like I'm recording. It's gonna be really smooth when you actually play it. So yeah, that's it. I really hope you enjoyed my video, and if you did, please leave a like, and and subscribe for more videos. I'm gonna be reviewing this game soon on BlueStacks. And yeah, um, see you in my next video.